Hey guys, hope you're having a beautiful day today. So I wanted to talk about some Windows 10 features that are available, and this feature are to help people that might have maybe some disability or might have some difficulties when using a computer. And there are a couple of them. I'm gonna go through them and I'm gonna teach you how to do them. I was actually looking through YouTube to see if this information was available somewhere, and I didn't find any videos for it. So I'm like, hey, why not make a video on it and help people out? So that's what I'm gonna do. This article is written by Elsie Otacho from November 1st, 2019. So any credits go to her for making this nice and a very well written article. So the first one is called the Narrator, right? And this is for the colorblind, maybe the blind as well, or those with low vision. So it's very useful for that, for people that might have one of these here. So it's gonna basically help you read the text as you type, right? And how do you go to them? Well, first you go to your settings. So to go to your settings, you go down here. I like to right click, but you don't have to. Just click on this. It's gonna open up right here, and you click here, settings. This should show up here, and then you go down. You go to where it says ease of access. Let me see if I could see it. If it's not here, then we're gonna type it. Ease of access. Okay. And there it is. Ease of access. We're gonna go to that. Alright, so now I'm in my ease of access. You can see here. We're gonna go down here where it says Narrator. I'm gonna click on it. And the instruction says here that we're going to click on where it says turn on narrator, and let me turn that on, see what happens.
Narrator dialog, OK, button, Alt plus O, heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator heading level 1, scan, welcome to narrator. This is exiting narrator.
Alright, so as you can see here, it's definitely doing its job. Let me turn it on again.
OK, exiting narrator.
Alright, let me turn that on again just to see.
Narrator dialog. Narrator heading level 1. Scan. Welcome to narrator. Settings window. Use narrator. Turn alert. Close alert. Button.
Alright.
Windows, Office, and Xbox accessibility support now available via Twitter direct message. Send us your question. Button. Alert. Enable desktop notifications for Gmail. Link. OK. Link. No thanks. Button. Alert. Scan off.
Alright.
Text table. Image. Button. Skip navigation cert. Exiting narrator.
Alright, so that option is there. And it looks like it reads everything, so you might want to keep that into consideration. Maybe you could look a little more into it, see how it works, but you have that option. Another one is the magnifier. Now the magnifier is for people that maybe they have really poor eyesight, they can't see too well, and the way you access it is the same way. Settings, ease of access. So we're gonna go here. We're in our settings already, ease of access. We're gonna go to where it says magnifier right here, and you could turn that on. And it says here, press on the Windows logo plus and the plus to turn on magnifier. Press on the Windows logo and escape to turn off the magnifier. So I could change this to maybe 200, 300 if necessary. See, can magnify things. I could turn it off by pressing Control minus, Control plus. Yeah. Let's see, let me go maybe here, see if I could do Control plus here. Control plus. What it does, it will make it bigger over here. I don't know if that's supposed to be the function, but let's see here. Play.
Accessibility.
Okay. So this just read. It read me what the word means. So let's see if I highlight this.
Includes product issues. Accessibility.
Okay. So that basically reads the words for me. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. So let me see if I have narrator on. No, it's off. But the magnifier is actually reading it for me. So I'm guessing this does the two things at the same time. Isn't that cool? I think it's pretty cool. Let's see if I highlight this. Then I click on play.
Want to learn more about accessibility features in Windows 10, Office 365?
Alright, that's cool. That's cool. So it looks like magnifier actually reads it for you as well. Read from here. Alright.
Want to learn more about accessibility?
Okay, yeah, this has a lot of options. And you could change the language. Sira Husira. What is that? And the speed, maybe let's put it a little faster. See what happens. Play. Oh no, that's too fast, too fast. Put a normal speed. See what it sounds like.
Want to learn more about accessibility?
No, I don't like that voice. See, Mark voice.
Want to learn more about accessibility features in Windows 10, Office 365?
I don't know, I like Mark. Mark looks, sounds better. Cool, so that's magnifier. I guess if I do this and I click the plus, there we go. It makes it bigger. Cool, cool. Alright, so you have that option too. Let's make it smaller. Let's take it out. Alright. So far we got the narrator, we got the magnifier, which also adds like a narrator in my opinion. The document also mentions high contrast. I'm gonna put this a little smaller. People with visual impairment or color blindness can use this feature to alter the overall color scheme, so it's easier to read text, images, icons, and application windows. Alright, so if maybe you're colorblind, you might have issues seeing some colors. You could go to ease of access again. Let's go there. We could go to where it says high contrast right here. And you click turn on high contrast. And look how it looks totally different here, as you can see. And you could actually select maybe the colors that works best for you, you know. Maybe let's do high contrast 1. It makes the text yellow. High contrast 2. Okay, looks a little bit different. High contrast white. Okay, yeah, this definitely looks different. High contrast black. And it looks like you can also select what you want here. If none of this work for you, you can also make some selections over here. And don't forget to hit apply once you select whatever you would like to do. So this is cool. I like this option as well. Let's turn it off for now. Alright, let's do this one, closed caption. Now this one is if you struggle to read white subtitles on a video, movie or television show, especially on a light background, you can use the closed caption to edit colors and backgrounds of any caption text. Alright, so maybe if you're looking at a video, you can't really see that white text that comes up. You might have to do this closed caption thing. You could change the color of the closed caption. So you go to ease of access again. Here it is. I'm gonna have my settings open here. Let's see, it's not coming up. I'm gonna open it again then. Here it is. Closed caption. Here it is down here. It has default colors, but you could pick red, black, yellow, cyan, magenta. It has a lot of things. Caption transparency, translucent, semi-transparent. Wow, it has a lot of different options here. Even the style, you could use casual, it looks different. You could use small caps. This is very interesting, very interesting. See what else, Speech recognition. This app is useful for navigating menus, dictating documents, and surfing the web. It listens to your spoken words and translates them into on-screen actions. You can enable it by opening Settings and Speech, and scroll down to dictate text and control your device using only your voice. Oh, this is nice. So you can control your computer basically with your words. Alright, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna click Settings, and I'm going to go where it says Speech. I'm guessing it's here, right? It says turn on speech recognition. Speech recognition allows you to control your computer by voice. Using only your voice, you can start programs, open menus, click buttons and other subjects on the screen, dictate text into documents and everything. Okay, so now they gotta recognize my voice. Let's try that out. We're gonna use the desktop microphone, but I don't think I might want to use it now because I'm using it to record my YouTube video. So, but you know what? Let's see what comes up next. Hello. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. The microphone is ready to use with the computer. Next. You could improve speech recognition, enable to recognize it by allowing the computer to review documents and email in your search index. We'll learn words and phrases to better understand when you speak. Oh, okay, this is nice. Okay. Use voice activation. You can choose what happens when you say stop listening command. Oh, okay, so you got to select, when I do this command, do this. And when you select manual activation, Windows speech recognition turns off when you say stop listening, and must be turned on by clicking the microphone button and pressing Control key. Oh, okay, so when you use manual and you tell it to turn off, it's gonna turn off. But if you want to turn it back on, you're gonna have to manually do it again. But if you use voice activation mode, then all you have to say is start listening, and he's gonna start listening again. All right. Okay. There's a reference sheet over here too of commands you could give it. All right. Okay. I don't want it to run a startup, at least in my case. Okay. Skip tutorial. Okay. Open search. Oh. Alright, so I could do a lot of different things. I hope you guys could listen to me in the video. Let's do this over here. Go to YouTube. Open Chrome. Go to YouTube. Go to youtube.com. Oh, no. This is not what it is. Search for Google. Oh God, no, this is not what I'm saying. Stop listening. Search for Google. Search, okay. I don't know. Maybe my accent isn't as good as it should be. Maybe I don't know if that's the case, but if you guys could still listen to this video, let's continue. But this is a very good option. I mean, it seems that it works for the most part, right? All right, so I'm gonna turn this off for now, but that is another cool option you have there, and this is the list of commands you could give it. This is very cool. Let's go back to here. Keyboard. This is one of the Windows 10 shining points. It offers a variety of customization options for people with disability or special needs to make the keyboard easier and more comfortable to use. Within the keyboard are 4 mini tools to help with Windows 10 accessibility. So you could probably use on-screen keyboard. Use sticky keys. So it has a lot of options here. So it will be the same. You go to your settings, right? And ease of access right here, and you go to where it says keyboard. Use of the on-screen keyboard. Let's hit on that. Oh, look at this. It's very nice. So you could type in here, I don't know, Sage. Maybe I'm gonna open here. I'll put Sage Art Studio. Okay, Studios. Put YouTube. See what happens. Alright, Sage Art. Cool, but you can see here it works. On-screen keyboard works, guys. This is awesome. And you know what? I actually like this very much. I like this very much. It looks like you have other options here as well. Use sticky keys. And it has a lot of options here. Use toggle keys. Oh, place a sound whenever you press cap lock, number lock, and scroll lock. Oh, let's do number lock. Let's do scroll lock. Where is it? I don't see scroll lock. Yeah, that's very interesting. But I could see it getting very annoying using it a lot, so I'm gonna disable that as well. Filter keys. It has a lot of options here. It's cool. Let's move on to the next one. Color filters. People with light sensitivity or color blindness can use the color filter feature in Windows 10 to boost the contrast so it's easier to see what's on the screen. You can also customize your screen color palette to distinguish items by color or get rid of it altogether. To enable color filter, start setting ease of access and color filter and toggle turn on color filter switch. Alright, so we're going to do that. Ease of access. We're going to go to color filters here. We're going to turn it on. And I could see it definitely looks different. I hope you guys could see this too. So we're going to put, oh, if I pick this one, it looks like this. Let's pick, select a color blindness filter to make this 9 colors on the wheel more distinct. Red to green. Oh, that's what it looks like. Red to green, red weak. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Blue and yellow. Tritanopia, red and weak. Protanopia, and green weak. Deuteranopia. So you guys definitely have a lot of different options here to try out. Yeah, so try it out, guys. Just trying to see the difference in colors here. It's very interesting. Okay, so another one there, color filters. You have also the mouse. You know, if you struggle to use the mouse pointer on your screen, you can make it more visible by changing its size, color, and turn on features that make it easier to use. And I actually did this with my mouse. As you can see, my mouse is green. And I don't know, I just like it better that way. It's easier to find and everything. So you just go to ease of access. You go to where it says mouse pointer. And you could select, you can make it bigger if you want. Look how big it looks. You can make it smaller. I think this is a great size. I have to select the color that I have. Okay, there it is. Perfect. Make it a little bigger. You know, I like it this big. Let me go to my YouTube channel. YouTube. No, I think this will get annoying. No, I actually like this very much. I actually like it very much. But I'll make it smaller. I'm used to just having this smaller color here. Ah, there it is. Perfect. Alright, cool. You have this option. You could pick the color. You could pick a custom color by picking here as well. This is very nice. A very nice option. And you also have eye control. For this one, it says that you're gonna need eye tracking software. Well, Microsoft uses eye tracking software to help disabled people communicate by typing responses using their eyes. I don't know if I'll be able to actually use this. I don't know if my camera is compatible. It says here, to get started with eye control, you need a compatible, supported eye tracking device. I don't think I have any of those. And someone to help you set up the device and change eye control settings by clicking ease of access eye control. So yeah, those are all the settings. And to go to the eye control, you go to ease of access again and all the way down, eye control here. And maybe you could get somebody to help you set that up. But those are, for the most part, the settings that Windows 10 features. You know, if maybe you have a disability. And I'm gonna go here again, ease of access. And this one here called audio as well. Turn on mono audio. Let's click on that. The mono audio combines left and right channels into one channel. So let's put one of my YouTube videos and see. Sage Art Studio. Okay. And let's put this one. So I've gotten a lot of comments and questions about the Oculus Quest 2. All right, that's what it sounds like. Let's see what it sounds like without this on, and whether or not their account is gonna get locked. I don't know if I'm doing this properly. Maybe not. Maybe I gotta mess with the volume, but it doesn't sound too different. Let me try again and see. Or suspended because maybe they don't meet the age requirements. Now, if you don't know, yeah. So I might do a little more research of that. But that's also this is interesting. Mono audio. You know what? Why don't we do this research together? What is mono audio used for? We're gonna learn together. This will allow you to use just one earbud with your PC, but still hear both the left and the right audio tracks. It's also very helpful if you have trouble hearing through one ear. Okay, so that's what I expected it to be. That's why I was impressed that audio was coming out both of my speakers instead of just one. But yeah, if you have trouble hearing in one ear and you just want to hear everything in one speaker but hear everything properly, you could use mono audio, as you can see here. Turn it on and it's going to combine the left and right speakers into just one speaker, you could say. All right, this is very awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped. I know I was going back and forth a lot. I was just trying to help you see how to set, at least how to enable them, right? How to enable these features. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And hope you guys have a amazing day. It's Saturday. Have some fun. Enjoy time with your family. Talk to them. And stay safe out there, guys. Peace.